Dirty grease-covered floors are unsafe and can result in costly slip and fall accidents, as well as create a negative impression on guests. Today's restaurants have a wide range of floor surfaces. That's why Ecolab provides a choice of high-quality mops, designed just for your DuraLoc tools. Each mop is designed for a specific floor type and purpose. The DuraLoc cotton mop is an excellent value. This highly absorbent mop dries floors quickly, while the looped-in design helps prevent fraying. For everyday cleaning, the DuraLoc blended mop is a great choice for a variety of areas. The mop provides both absorbency and durability with its blended fibers. The tail band prevents it from bunching up during use, providing better coverage for more efficient cleaning. The grease release mop was developed specifically for busy kitchens that generate a lot of soil and grease. It takes the features and proven performance of the blended mop and adds a patented technology that allows the mop to absorb and release more grease than a conventional mop. Removing more grease off the floor creates a cleaner, safer environment. Grease release mops have a useful life that is 2 to 3 times longer than conventional mops due to the suppression of odors and longer lasting absorbency. Ecolab also carries a number of specialty mops for other floor types. The DuraLoc floor cleaning system makes mop replacement hands-free. DuraLoc mops are tightly packaged for easy access and compact storage. With DuraLoc, food service operators can choose the mop that best fits their needs. Whether it's the value-priced cotton mop, the everyday blended mop, or the premium grease release mop, Ecolab has a mop for every floor.